the only thing keeps these builds going. Mountain Dew. Here we go. Just a quick update from the last video. You know, last time we got all the doors off, got all the glass out. Today we're gonna work on taking this dash out, cleaning out the trunk, taking off the bumper cover, the gas tank, and then we'll undo all the body mounts, take the body off. Let's go. Okay, so Blizzard Bash is coming in hot. It'll be here before you know it. And how would you like to have your name on a possible winning Blizzard Bash car? I'm thinking about signing people's names on the roof of this car for $7. You can send it to me on PayPal, Cashapp, Venmo, in person. But to help pay for all this, I'm thinking about writing people's names on the roof. What do y'all think? Here we got the inside completely stripped and vacuumed out. And now we got to do the trunk, but here's the problem. For the past 2 years, this is where I've been keeping all my W body stuff. And funny thing is, I tried to sell all this stuff to a guy a year ago for $100. I said, just come get it. He wouldn't do it. Then I slowly started getting back into compacts, and I'm kind of glad he didn't take it, because, you know, a couple $100 worth of stuff in here. Motor mounts, axles, fans, rack and pinions, power steering pumps, fuel rails, coil packs. Now I gotta go find a new place to put all this. I guess you could say I had a lot of junk in my trunk. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we got it cleaned out. We got it actually moved to a different car. Look at us, got them tail lights out. Now we're working on that bumper cover. I like to cut it like this. It fits in the dumpster better. Better than that big U shape. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So here I go, taking the body mount bolts out. So, funny story, when I was doing the driver's side, I had my jack lifting up on the body and not under the frame. And when I took the last mount out, the frame came down, the body went up, and I got stuck underneath the car and had to have Karina come out and save me. I wasn't filming for that, so maybe I should film all the time, but you know, shit happens. Alright, so we got the car moved over to the other side of the garage, used the A-frame, picked the body up. Next up, I'm just going to go through here and start cutting all these lines off. Kind of clean up the frame a bit. For those of you possibly building one of these, using this as a tutorial, just know that those are gas lines. And you know, if you're using a torch or something that's making sparks and you're just going to cut the lines, it could cause issues, so be safe out there. Yeah, we got the Milwaukee hacksaw out doing work. Right now we're just cutting brackets. I try to leave the bracket and the bolt in the hole. You know, just one more piece of metal on the car. But looking at the rules, it says all brackets have to be off, so I'm going to have to go back and take all them bolts out. What are we doing here? Still cutting the fuel lines, cutting the emergency brake. There goes the drive shaft. She's ready to come out. Now we're working on the front suspension. I don't ever really do a lot of work with the front suspension, so you're going to see that I struggle a lot because honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing. The first time we did this with our Mountain Dew car, the spring shot out and the frame jumped across the garage floor. So I'm trying to be very cautious here and not let that happen again. You can see me jacking it up and lowering it, trying to get the ball joint to pop out. and hoping that when I lower it, it just comes down, but it's not working. So we got the pickle fork, and we're kind of just going crazy on it. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing. If you guys can't tell, that's why the jack keeps going up and down. We're just unbolting things until we can get that ball joint to slide out. Oh, there we go. Spindle's off, bottom's off. Spring did not shoot out. Let's go. We know what we're doing now. Oh, look, round 2. Ding, ding. Passenger side. Watch it go just as fast as the first side, because get off your phone, dude. We're making a video. Look at us go. Look at us go. Tires up, tires off. Oh, ball joint is off, spindle's off. We're going double time. Oh, what are we doing now? Rear end. I'll be honest with you, I've never taken one of these rear ends out of a 98 to 02. It's got some weird trailing arms, you know, they go side to side. But, you know, the passenger side came out just fine. Driver's side's coming out. Still trying to figure out how to get the cross pieces off. Oh, there was Karina. And there you have it. You know, Friday night, we pretty much started with a fresh car minus the seats and the carpet. And here it is Sunday, about 8:30 p.m. I started this morning about 8:30 a.m. We finished getting the car stripped out. We got the body off, got the frame cleaned up, got the rear end out. The engine and transmission are unbolted. They're just kind of chilling there. My cherry picker's still out in the yard. I gotta go get it. And tomorrow, we'll get that engine and transmission pulled. We'll start putting new suspension on all this. Let's go. Hit like, hit subscribe. Here we go.